everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a very quick video. I wanted to give you guys this quick lock styling tip. Some of you may know this already, but for those of you who never thought of it, here we go. An easy way to style your locks is to put them in braids first. The reason why it's easier to style your locks when they're in braids or twists, what have you, is because that gives you less locks to work with. So that's going to be less tucking and less pulling and less tying because you have less strands to deal with. So it's a lot quicker to style your hair when you have braids for that reason. Obviously, it's not quick to put the braids in, but that time spent is an investment because afterwards you'll be able to have a lot of time and versatility to do different styles for the rest of your week or forever how long you have your braids in. So I'm going to do a quick lock style with my braids to show you guys an example. I'll just be using a ponytail holder and a pin or two, and that's it. Also, this is a really good way to style your locks, and in a way it's a 2-in-1. Well, obviously it's more than two because you can style your hair with the braids in so many different ways, but I say 2-in-1 because it's a style with the braids and it's also a style when you take the braids out and you have a braid out. The crimpy style is also really fun. Plus, that is also another easy way to style your locks when you have a braid out. Obviously, you're not having the benefit of braids, so you're not gonna have less strands to deal with, but the crimps in your braid out will help you to style your hair because curly locks or crimpy locks are more obedient when it comes to styling. You will do less tucking and less tying and less tugging when you have a braid out as well. It's just something about when our locks are straight, sometimes they just want to poke and go in different directions against your will. So when they're crimpy and curly, they're more obedient. That's how I like to put it. There is more, what's the word? Your locks are more malleable. Is that the right word? They're easier to style. Take my word for it if you haven't experienced that personally. But if you have experienced that personally, leave me a comment below. Let me know how you styled your locks with braids and how you styled your locks with a braid out, and how that has definitely been easier for you than styling your locks when they're out loose. Drop a comment below if you feel me, okay? I know I'm not alone in this. It's easier to style your hair in braids and in a braid out, okay? So I'm gonna get to styling. So this isn't the neatest. It didn't come out exactly how I like it. I'm probably gonna take it down and try again. And I realized I wasn't even recording all of that. So I'm gonna take it down. And I'm gonna try again. The idea I had in my mind, it just wasn't panning out right. So I just ended up going with a simple bun with the braids and a faux sweep. And I made the sweep by making it like a cinnabon right here, and I used one final braid to sweep on the outside of it to give it some seamlessness And then I topped it off with a scarf that I found. And yeah, this is what I'm gonna go with. Yeah, I'll take some pics. Follow me on Instagram to see the photos of this. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, by the time this video is up, I have restocked my infinity head wraps. So definitely check those out and shop because they sell out quickly. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.